Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to reset Philips HF3520 Wake-Up Light. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to reset your wake-up light here, well, this one is fairly simple. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically remove the power of your wake-up light. So in this case, if you have this connected to a wall socket, you want to go ahead and remove that, or if you have this connected to an extension, you want to make sure that you disconnect it from that extension cord. Now, once you've disconnected your wake-up light here, what you need to do is you just need to wait for about like 2 to 3 minutes or more if you can. And in this case, it just allows your device to fully clear out the electricity on it or the power on it. And this actually clears previous settings and fully resets your device. But once the time is up, you could go ahead and just plug your adapter back into the power source, so either a wall outlet or an extension cord, and from then on make sure it has a stable power link. But yeah, so from then on you could go ahead and adjust your time on display to ensure an accurate wake up functionality, or in this case setting, and you could go ahead and just start customizing your wake up preference. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.